Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about feature that's commonly found in GE air conditioners, turbo cool. If you are wondering what turbo cool is and how it works, you are in the right place. Let's dive in. Turbo cool is a feature on GE air conditioners that allows for rapid cooling of a room. When you activate turbo cool, the air conditioner goes into high speed cooling mode, blowing cold air at a faster rate than normal. This feature is perfect for hot summer days when you need to cool down your room quickly. When you activate turbo cool, the air conditioner's compressor and fan work together to produce a blast cold air. The compressor works harder to cool the refrigerant and the fan blows the cold air at a higher speed. This combination of rapid cooling and increased airflow help to cool down the room quickly. There are several benefits to using turbo cool on your GE air conditioner. Firstly, it helps to cool down your room quickly, which is perfect for hot summer days. Secondly, it can help to reduce the temperature in your room more efficiently, which can be especially useful if you have a large room or a room with high ceiling. Finally, turbo cool can be convenient feature if you need to cool down your room quickly before guests arrive or before bedtime. So, when should you use turbo cool? Well, it is perfect for those hot summer days when you need to cool down your room quickly. You can also use it if you are coming home from a long day and want to relax in a cool room. Just keep in mind that turbo cool can be a bit louder than normal operation. So it is best to use it when you don't mind a bit of extra noise. That's it for today. Video on turbo cool on GE air conditioner. We hope you find this helpful understanding what turbo cool is and how it works. If you have any question or comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more tech related content.